the last part, which is the tool fixing screw. So to do that, so first we will come down to this. This is the part number 19, tool fixing screw. There is a 16 mm cube, and then again 14.5 of this 9 mm depth. Again you have 16.3, so this is 55. 55 plus 3, 58. 58 plus 16, which is 74. 86 minus 74, which will go to be 12 mm. So to do that, so first we will go for new, go to isometric part. So then come down to order and disable the base, enable the base reference plane, go to home, click on sketch. So click on the coincident plane as the top plane, and go to project to sketch. So click on OK, select on these two horizontal and vertical line, and go to offset, take the distance as 8. So you would click on this side and also on this side. Similarly, the horizontal to the top side and also to the bottom side, and then go to select these center lines and delete it, and then go to trim this entire portion and go to close sketch. So then click on home, click on extrude, select this and take the distance as 16 mm. So you take this as the 16 mm and click on finish. So once you do that, so you will going to get this part of 16 mm, and now we will going to create the chamfer. So to do that, go to home, click on sketch. So click on angled plane, and you select this as the reference plane. Click on the face or the edge on this edge. Click on the end of the axis. From here, you take to this end. Now we have this side. So we need to go to zoom area and go to project to sketch. You click on this and you take this vertical line, this vertical, and this vertical line. So now we'll go for offset, take 2 mm, 0.2 of the 10, and similarly on this side, and go to line and take endpoint of this, take 10 mm, angle 120 degrees. Then similarly take the intersection of this, then 10 mm, angle 60 degrees. So we're going to get this. So go to trim these two portions, then delete this line and also delete this line, and go to trim corner between this and this, similarly between these two. So once you get this, go to close sketch. So then go to home, click on revolve cut, select from sketch on this and also on this, accept. So click on the center line and revolve it through 360 degrees, so that you will going to get the chamfer. Once you get this, finish. So now we need to create this portion, which is here diameter 14.5. So we have total distance as 58 plus 16, which is 74, then 86, so 74, that is 12 mm. So go to rotate, then go to home, click on sketch. So click on this plane and then go to circle, take this intersection point, take the diameter as 14.5, then close sketch. So go to home, click on extrude. So take this, so you take this circle, zoom area, go to home, click on extrude, click on this circle, accept. So you need to give this dimension, which is 58, 16, 74, 86, so 12 mm. So you take the distance as 12 mm. So you click on this and say finish. Then again you come down to this. So again you take the diameter of 27 to a distance of 3 mm. So to do that, so go to home, click on sketch. So click on this diameter. So here this diameter is 27 mm. So go to circle, take the intersection point, take the diameter as 27, and then say close sketch. So click on home, click on extrude, click on this, take the dimension as 3 mm. So you take this and say finish. Then the next part, the next portion is we have M16 to a size of 45 mm. So to do that, go to home, sketch, so click on this, then come down to circle, take the intersection point of this, diameter is 16, and then go to close sketch. So come down to home, click on extrude, so click on this, accept, take 45 mm. So you click on this and say finish. So then go to home, click on thread, click on OK, click on the end of the cylinder from the thread which will going to be offset. Is there any offset distance? No. Then you just come down to this, in the end of the cylinder you have M16 and say finish and say OK. Now then again just go to home. So now you come down to the last part, which is 14 mm diameter to a length of 10 mm. So to do that, so go to home, click on sketch, click on this as the coincident plane, and take the circle command, take intersection of this and take the diameter as 14 mm. So go to circle, take the intersection point of this and take the diameter as 14 mm, and then go to close sketch, then go to home, click on extrude, so click on this, accept, so this distance is 10 mm, and say click on finish. So this is how you will be able to create this model. So once you create, then we have tool fixing screw, they made out of steel. So you just come down to application button, go to information, go to material table, click on steel. So we have the cast steel, you just click on this and say apply to model, then go to application button, go to information, go to file properties, click on tool fixing screw, type tool fixing screw and say OK and click on save. You will going to create the 19th part. So you're going to have part model tool fixing screw and say save. So this is how you will be able to create the model and finally exit.